Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we will explore the contributions of Lalla and how his work helped refine and improve the mathematical models used to understand the motions of the heavens. So let's get started. By the 8th century, astronomy in India had become a well-established mathematical tradition. Astronomers were not only developing new ideas, but also testing and improving existing ones. One of the scholars who contributed to this process was Lalla. Rather than simply accepting earlier models, Lalla worked to evaluate, correct, and refine them. His work reflects an important step in the development of astronomy, a stage where improving the accuracy of models became increasingly important. Lalla's most important work is known as the Shishyadi Vridhida Tantra. The title can be understood as a guide for advancing the understanding of students. In this text, Lalla brought together both astronomical theory and practical calculation. He described how celestial bodies move, but also how to compute their position using mathematical methods. This combination was essential. Astronomy was not only about understanding the heavens, it was about being able to calculate and predict their behavior. Lalla built upon work of earlier astronomers, especially Aryabhata. But he did not simply repeat their ideas. He carefully examined existing models and identified places where they could be improved. By refining these models, Lalla helped make astronomical predictions more accurate. This reflects an important principle of science. Knowledge is not fixed. It is continually tested, corrected, and improved over time. Lalla's work placed strong emphasis on practical calculation. Astronomers used mathematical methods to determine planetary positions, predict celestial events, and refine astronomical tables. These calculations were not abstract. They were used in calendars, timekeeping, and the prediction of events such as eclipses. Lalla's contributions helped ensure that astronomical models were not only theoretically sound, but also useful in practice. Lalla represents the continuing evolution of Indian astronomy. Building on earlier scholars, he contributed to a tradition that valued mathematical precision, careful verification, and ongoing refinement. His work helped strengthen the reliability of astronomical knowledge for future generations. So that concludes our discussion on Lalla and the refinement of astronomical models. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Multicultural Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.